Kia Motors introduced the Sonet SUV back in the Indian market on the 18th of September 2020. The Kia Sonet went on sale immediately and in 12 days of its launch has managed to register 9,266 units of sales during the month of September 2020. The Kia Sonet SUV is the brand's latest model to be introduced in India and is also the new entry-level offering as well. The Kia Sonet sits below the brand's Seltos SUV in the lineup and is offered at a price range between Rs 6.71 lakh and Rs 12.89 lakh ex-showroom India. The Kia Sonet SUV has now also taken over the reins as the new segment leader, overtaking the sales figures of its main rival, the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. The compact SUV from Maruti Suzuki lost to the Kia Sonet by a little over 100 units, registering 9,153 SUVs in the previous month. The Kia Sonet has an advantage over its rivals as the new entrant comes with a wide range of variant options, all of which are packed with features and equipment. The Kia Sonet is offered in a range of 6 variants, all offered with both petrol and diesel engine options, along with multiple transmission choices as well. To reiterate, the Kia Sonet is offered with 2 petrol and 1 diesel engine. The petrol engine options include a 1.2-litre unit and a 1-litre turbo petrol engine. The 1.2-litre petrol produces 83 brake horsepower and 113 Nm of peak torque and is mated to a 5-speed manual. The 1-litre TGDI unit churns out 120 brake horsepower and 172 Nm of peak torque and is mated to either a 6-speed IMT or a 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. There is also a 1.5-litre diesel engine on offer in 2 state of tunes. The lower state produced 110 brake horsepower and 240 Nm of torque mated to a 6-speed manual, while the higher tuned unit churns out 115 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque and comes with a standard 6-speed automatic transmission. Comparing this to the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, the SUV is offered with a single 1.5-litre K-series petrol engine producing 104 brake horsepower and 138 Nm of peak torque mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic gearbox. Other rivals of the Kia Sonet also include the Hyundai Venue, which also recorded comparatively lower sales figures last month. The Kia Sonet also beat the likes of the Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport and Mahindra XUV 300 among others. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.